Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'll apply a baby cream all over my face. After that I am applying Oriflame's foundation here and in which part of the BB cream. After that, it will clean the eyes thoroughly with the help of ear cleaning wood. After that I will do contouring of my face, which I can show you here how to contour your face so you can control it in the same way. Now here I will teach you how to make your eyebrows, which I have taught you to make in my first videos, so here you just see how I make them. Now I will set my eyebrows nicely with this concealer. I will cover the concealer with the help of this powder as if I have fixed all the problems in my life. After fixing, I will take the brown color here and smooth it over both my eyes. Just like the family members want to prove to us in their smooth talk. After that, I'll take the black color here and blend it well on both my eyes. In the same way as if you were putting black paint on the face of your enemy. Just like you applied black on the top of the eyes, you have to apply black on the bottom of the eyes in the same way and blend it well so that there are no gaps. And then apply eyelash. My makeup is done. Beautiful smoky eyes. If we are going to apply lipstick on the lips of the model, firstly, I applied a dark concealer to my model's lips, which are very large, as you can learn by watching the video. I will cover the concealer with the help of this powder as if I have fixed all the problems in my life. I have a lip line brand name Huda Beauty. I tell you how to apply it from below where you applied the concealer. From the bottom you should start applying lip liner, it will make your lips look smaller. After that I will use the highlighter here. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel.